Hello, Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be exploring 3 top piano applications for Android devices. Let's dive into the features and benefits of each app to help you choose the best one for your musical journey. Piano Ear Training. Piano Ear Training is an exceptional application designed to enhance and develop your musical ear. This app offers a wide range of exercises and training modules that can help you recognize and distinguish various elements of music such as notes, intervals, chords, and rhythms. By engaging in regular practice sessions with Piano Ear Training, you can significantly improve your ability to discern and interpret music accurately. This app serves as a valuable tool for musicians, composers, and music enthusiasts alike, enabling them to sharpen their listening skills and deepen their understanding of music theory. Piano Scales Chords. Piano Scales Chords is a comprehensive application aimed at assisting individuals in mastering piano scales and chords. With a vast collection of scales and chords commonly used in music, this app provides detailed tutorials and demonstrations on how to play them on the piano. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate pianist, Piano Scales Chords offers a structured and systematic approach to learning, allowing you to progress at your own pace. By utilizing this app, you can broaden your repertoire, improve your technique, and gain confidence in playing the piano. Mini Piano. Mini Piano is a user-friendly piano app that offers a simplified yet enjoyable virtual piano experience on your mobile device. With easy-to-use piano keys that respond to your touch, Mini Piano allows you to play your favorite tunes and melodies with ease. Whether you are a seasoned pianist looking for a portable practice tool or a novice exploring the world of music, this app provides a convenient platform to hone your skills and express your creativity. Mini Piano may be compact in size, but it offers a delightful and engaging way to indulge in the pleasure of playing the piano wherever you go. As we conclude this video, we hope that the insights shared about these piano applications have been informative and helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Happy playing!